There. So within this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage the project within web planning. First of all, as soon as you're logged in, okay, go to the menu, go to the project. Really easy. Here we can see we have on the right hand side the panel which lists all the projects we have created. Okay, otherwise, if you work for a customer, a clearly identified customer, okay, you can click on the customer here, and you have for every customer a list of projects. Lovely. So let's create our own project instead of creating a project for a customer. Here I'm going to create a project called example a project, or a lot of project. This is just a name which can be whatever it is. Here I got a lot of project. Lovely. Okay, I can make a comment as well. Okay, and just to test, that's it. As you can see, my project is created. So now, as you can see, I've selected this one, and that button Gantt action has been now enabled. So I click on the Gantt actions, and here we are. It's going to be really easy. Make sure that you work on a days. Okay, today's date. Click on today's date. You can select here the time frame, the period you guys want to have for the Gantt project, and afterwards you can just select here add task. So I'm going to create add task. You see, another one, and another one. I got 4 tasks. Otherwise, I can as well use the pre-selected activities here and grab and drop a task somewhere here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Here we are. Okay, I'm gonna close this panel, and now I can manage this task really easily. So the other things we can do now is just grab some tasks, to the left, to the right. Okay, so it's a kind of user-friendly. I'm gonna arrange a little bit the task for having a better view. I can double click on this one and say, okay, I'm gonna delete this task. Why not? I'm gonna click on this one, delete this task, and I'm gonna delete this task too. I'll tell you why later, because I need to have fresh things. Cool. So now I need to rename the task here. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the display property, and in an editable column, I'm gonna say yes, the name should be editable. From now, it's gonna be easier to say, okay, this task called task 1, this one task 2, task 3, and task 4. Cool. The other things I need to add as well, it's a summary task. So I'm going to click here, his parents, yes. I'm going to add 2 summary tasks, collapse the panel here, rename it. We're going to say this one is phase number 1 and phase number 2. Perfect. As soon as I've got the phase and the task, I can grab this task. Okay, first of all, to select this task correctly, I'm going to say now the column is not editable. It's easier after to select the task, So I'm going to select this plus shift and this task as well, and drag this under the phase number 1, the summary task. Okay, and these 2 tasks as well will be under the phase number 2. And here we are. So the things you do from time to time when you grab the task and you rearrange the structures of your Gantt project, you have to make some tiny save Gantt sequences. Okay. So to reorder here the sequence of the task, so we have phase 1, sequence number 1, 2, 3. So reorder correctly according to the view, the task event in the database. Really easy. Okay. So I've got this one, as I said previously. I can grab the task to the left or to the right. So I'm going to move a little bit this one example like this one, and this one. Here we are. It's really nice. So now, of course, can print out the result. Really cool result. Okay, and I can as well add some constraints. So to add some constraints on a Gantt chart is really easy. Click on the task here. Okay, with the Control key keyboard, you can click the other one. Okay, and now you can select what type of constraint you want. I'm gonna select the ends to start constraint, and here we are. Can you see this one? So let's do again. Okay, and let's do again. Okay, so now look. We have created 4 constraints, which means for every task, this task start when this one will be finished. The advantage of having a constraint is when you move a task here, all the tasks with the constraint will be moved as well. Really cool. Okay. I can as well print out the the Gantt sheet, so for which we can see as well the constraint here and there. Okay, and it's not finished yet. The very last thing I want to show you, it's from time to time we need to fix the Gantt chart. So the things I'm going to say, it's this one example. Okay, will be, I'm going to create here a baseline. Okay, I'm going to edit this one, and I'm going to do the same for this one, just an example. From now, whenever you do with the change you do on your Gantt chart, okay, you still have the original period for which the Gantt has been created. So here I'm going to click, and now I know exactly this task has been created this day and this day. Okay, put it back here. It's just an example. I can add as well, double click on the task of the action, which is a percentage of completion, and of course as every specific Gantt chart I can add a resource, allocate some resources. So I'm going to say this or this, and here we are. If I print out as well the result, I still have the same things with the task details. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Okay, have fun in web planning, creating your own project, and please feel free to get back to us if you got any issue or whatever. Thank you. Bye.